Okay, so this pattern will be worked in multiples of 8 plus 12. So I'll be making 16 chains plus 12 chains and adding 3 more chains in the end. 2, 3, 4 and 5. $27 and $28. Then 1, 2 and 3. Now DC in the 4th chain from the hook. Chain 3, 1, 2 and 3, and single crochet in the 4th chain. Then chain 3, 1, 2, 3 and 3 DC in the 4th chain. One, two, and then last 3. Chain 3, 1, 2 and 3. Single crochet in the 4th chain. So now all you have to do is keep on repeating this step till the end. In the end you will have 3 chains left, so you will have to do 2 DCs in the 3rd chain. So since I have 3 chains left, so I will be doing 2 DCs in the 3rd chain. One and 2. Now turn your work around. Chain 1 and single crochet in the 1st stitch. Chain 3, 1, 2 and 3, and DC decrease in the next 2 stitches. Chain 3 again, 1, 2, 3 and single crochet in between the 3 DC group, which is the 2nd DC. Chain 3 and DC decrease in the next 2 stitches. So keep on repeating this procedure till you reach the end. In the end you will just have to do 2 DCs in the last stitch. So I finally reached the end of step 2. I will be doing 2 DCs in the last stage, and the 2 DCs will be done in the stitch in the first stitch, which is of the below row. One and 2. That's the end of your step 2. Step 3. Now turn your work around. Chain 3, 1, 2 and 3. DC in the first stitch. Now chain 3, 1, 2 and 3. Single crochet in the DC decrease stitch. Chain 3 again and 3 DC in the next stitch. One and 2, then 3. Chain 3 again and single crochet in the DC decrease. Just keep on repeating this procedure till you reach the end. Now I have reached the end of step 3, chain 3 and single crochet in the DC decrease. And chain 3 again, 2 DC in the 4th chain. One and 2. There. That's the end of your step 3. So just keep on repeating from step 2 to step 3, and this is what your pattern would start to look like. Hey guys, thanks for watching, and if you loved my tutorial video, then don't forget to subscribe for more.